Here is how you can create sound effects just by humming into your microphone. Watch this. Imagine creating movie quality sound effects without any fancy equipment. Adobe's new AI tool, SketchToSound, lets you do exactly that. Simply hum or make sounds with your voice. Add a text description like forest sound. The AI then analyzes your volume, pitch, and tone to create professional sound effects. One of the standout capabilities of SketchToSound is its contextual awareness. For example, if a user inputs forest ambience and hums a sound, the system can automatically interpret this as bird calls